a beautiful rolling landscape, gorgeous wooded views, a community that offers privacy, luxury, and quality. This is The Ridge. All minutes from Springfield Parkway and historic downtown Fort Mill. A beautiful snapshot of the past with touches of modern conveniences. This is The Ridge, an exclusive new custom home community that features distinctive flares that truly separate it from all others. Here you'll find 38 exclusive home sites, each with its own wooded lot. Nestled on a minimum of 1 acre, and most with backyards suitable for pools and indulgent outdoor living, offering a level of seclusion you won't find anywhere else. Create the home you've always wanted, full of elegant architectural touches and crafted from the highest quality materials. Select from unique and distinctive home styles ranging from traditional to classical to European, and work with full-service custom home builders known for their sterling reputations, superior communication skills, and ability to build a home that specifically fits your lifestyle. Their reputations and portfolios speak for themselves, and they can't wait to work with you. Choose The Ridge and retreat to what you've always wanted.